Guys, my name is David Humple and I make $12,000 per month appointment setting. And in this video, I'm going to show you what I would do if I would be starting from zero with no clients, no money at all. How would I actually get my first client as soon as possible? Okay, let's jump into it. So in this video, I've prepared a few ways to actually show you how you can actually do it, how you can get your first client. And then at the end, I will show you the best way that nobody ever shown probably to you. But yeah, let's start. So the first thing, most of the people are saying that you can go just on Facebook, go to the high ticket appointment setting, Facebook groups or high ticket sales groups, and people are just posting job posts there and you can just message them and get your job through that. That's what a lot of the people are saying. But I don't think that it is actually that effective. I have tried it like 2 weeks ago. I've just joined like loads of groups. I'm like in 20, 30, 40 groups. I've just joined every group, messaged every single person that was actually there and actually hiring. But most of it is actually a scam. Like if you go and just like it doesn't look real. For example, this one, they're saying you can make $5,000 to $12,000 per month, but if you actually message this account or like account that is actually posting posts like this, what they will most likely do, it's either some scam or they are just recruiters. So what they want to do is usually just to sell you some program or sell you something. Let's say that they are saying that you can make $5,000 to $12,000 with this offer, but let's click on this profile. It's most likely fake. You can see this is like the first post. It is August 22, 5 days ago. This looks like a scam to me, and it is probably a scam. This isn't real account. And if I go here, I know that this guy is a scam. I have messaged him as well, and a lot of the people just want to sell you some kind of recruiting. So they aren't actually hiring. Okay, so that's one thing. If I go more, for example, this one. Potential to make $3,000 to $8,000 in your first month, that also look like a scam. If I go check this profile, 16 friends, like, you know, this was his first post, this was his second post, he has 3 posts. So most of these job offers aren't real. So this Facebook groups isn't the best way to actually get appointments setting clients. So what is actually a better way? Better way, if you actually don't have money to invest, is Instagram. If you have Instagram, you can see my Instagram. The first thing that you want to do on Instagram is make your profile look good. After you make your profile look good, then you want to find some people that you want to start setting for and then just send them the message. We will go over all of those 3 right now. So if you check my profile, you can see already I have like a lot of followers, have good pictures and kind of credibility there, but I wouldn't say that it helps me that much. I would say right now I think it's best to have, if you are actually doing appointment setting for someone, is have like 1,000 followers or something, have some few good pictures, say what you are doing in bio, and then it's probably the best profile setup. Because if I, for example, reach out to someone that I want to do appointment setting for them, they will think that it's weird because why would I do appointment setting if I'm doing good already myself? So this isn't probably the best profile setup that you could have for appointment setting. But you don't need much, like just set up your Instagram profile, upload there a few pictures. If you don't have followers, buy few followers. You can buy like 1,000 followers for, I don't know, like 30 cents or something. It's really cheap. And then start messaging people. Okay, and so where do you actually find prospects or like coaches or anyone that you want to start setting for? Let's say you want to start setting for coaches. So what I would do is to search up for some coach that's actually coaching those coaches. It might sound weird, but it's actually the best way to find them. So for example, if I go and search for some coach, for example, this guy, he have like 254,000 followers and he's doing content strictly for fitness online coaches. So I know that a lot of fitness online coaches are following him, or like there are more accounts. For example, I know Brandon Forbes is doing also content only for coaches, and if you go through his followers or through his like results, he will have there a lot of coaches. So what we can do, go to this profile and I can go check client wins, and for example, he tagged her client here. So what you can do is just like click on it and message his client. Like she has like 20,000 followers. Okay, you can go follow her, message her. Then you can go another story. Once you find somebody else, for example, this guy. Okay, this is also a fitness coach. 800,000 followers, message him. Okay, then you go back to the same story, and then you message another person, and then you go another one, and once you message all of them, then you will just go and find another person. Okay, so then I go, for example, to another guy, for example, Jeremy Pogue, for example, this guy, and I can go to his client results, and he's probably also tagging his clients there. So if it loads up, I can just click on people. He's coaching coaches. Those will be coaches. I can message them. Okay. So I think he will maybe in client results. You can just search up for those people on Instagram. You can just take this name and search it up on Instagram and message all of them. So that's where you can get leads and what message to actually what to actually message them. So once you get a lot of those coaches that you can message, you will just go into the message and message them something like, hey, their name. And if you are just doing this manually, you can actually personalize the message a little bit, because you know that this is fitness coach, so you can personalize the message. You can say, hey, their first name, and you can say if they have a spot on their team for actual appointment setting, that you can book them additional this amount of booked calls, or that you can save them this much time because you will be in their DMs handling actually everything for them. And you will just message them. I will show you some example scripts and the end of this video, but you will just message them, go another person, message them, go to another person, message them, go to another person, message them. You will message like 50 people every day, like this manually, or we will just even if you say like voice message, it will get even better replies because it's more personalized. And if you contact like 50 coaches a day, you can find a client easily like within a week. Okay, so this is pretty good strategy if you have actually a lot of time and have just time for this, then you can do this for sure until you run out of leads. But what is even more effective strategy is actually to use some kind of automation. And on Instagram, I said like 50 DMs per day because that's actually the limit. You can send like 200 DMs in a day on Instagram because it will actually restrict you from sending this amount of DMs. So that's why I use Twitter, like X, because you can send there like 500 DMs per day. And so this is just a dummy account that I have, that I'm doing actual outreach from. But what I do is that I actually connect the account to the automation tool. I will show you how to do that as well. I will just connect it to the automation and select the people that I want to target. So I said I want to target people that have more than 20,000 followers. And you can see that it is messaging with the message I want 450 people a day. Do you see how powerful is this? This will, can you see it? Each one of those people have more than 20,000 followers, and I also selected the lead list that I want to target. And so I contact people that I want with the message I want. So the message, how does the message look like? It's hey, their first name. Do you know any coach who needs commission only, inbound setter? Give it some kind of credibility. I have booked over 1,000 appointments this year. Would be in their inbox, handling DMs and booking sales calls every day. Okay, if you don't have the credibility, you don't have to edit here, but you just need to send more DMs and you will get a lot of replies actually if you do this. I have more accounts like this, and you can see I'm getting a lot of replies every single day from those. So that's what I actually do, and it is the most effective way. I've actually made a dedicated video on this as well, but this is just really effective. And the most effective probably way, if you have some money to invest, is to join some kind of appointment setting program. So if you have seen, if you are, for example, in my free school group, it's called Appointment Setting Clan. We have like 2,400 people here. It's just a free group. You can join here. You can just talk with people about appointment setting, things like that. You have here like some free resources, so I definitely recommend you to join it. But then we have also our paid program that it isn't expensive, but what you actually get access to here is something that is way bigger, because what you will actually get is, for example, I'm getting here, if you can see, I have this post and this is hire appointment setters. So I'm getting in this group a lot of people that are actually hiring setters, okay? I get like 3 or 4 people that are hiring setters every day actually message me that they want to hire a setter. And so what I do, I can't fulfill it all. Like I just can't do it because I'm getting too many people actually requesting appointment setters. So I usually just take the best ones and post them in my paid group Marin. And so if I scroll a little bit here, I just post it here. You can see, for example, 4 days ago. Inbound opportunity, and people who jump on this offer will get $700 to $1,000 base plus 5% commission. Just share here in this post every details, get a contact on the coach, just WhatsApp them or call them, and then they can jump on this offer. And I'm posting those opportunities really often. It's like every other week. Like I'm having a lot of them actually here. So you can see outbound setter, inbound setter, opportunity. You can book a call with me, and we have a lot of things there. Another thing that you will actually get, the software that I was actually telling you about here is actually called xreacher.com. And so what you can actually do with this software is send like hundreds, you can send even thousands DMs per day to the people you want. But people that are actually in my group, in the money, get the software completely for free and also get the training on how to use it. So I didn't go into that much, but if they go, for example, to Outreach Mastery, I'm going a lot of into it actually in this course. So if they actually open this course that they actually have access to, you can see Twitter X, how to set up their profile, how to do outreach, how to do automated outreach. They have everything here. And then if they don't know what to message people, here is like Outreach Mastery, what to actually message people, foundations, get paid. They can also start booking appointments for me. So if you are a part of this group, you can actually just message me and you can start booking appointments for me. And for each client we close, you get like $500 commission. We have a lot of these offers right here. And then we also have like weekly calls and guys that are inside can jump a call with me or with my brother Dennis. We can go over the strategies to use. But yeah, that's about it. So if you are just starting out right now, you want to get your first client, if you have money, this is the fastest way to get your first client to join a program like this. If you don't have money, you can just do Instagram outreach and just try to get clients that way. It will probably take some time before you land the client, but it will happen. If you have right profile, if you know how to message them, if you just message enough people, you will get a client. And then, or you can use just the automation tool that you actually get for free inside of this paid group, or we will be adding probably some free plan, but it won't be that good that people have it actually inside of this group. So if you want to join it, I will probably leave the link in the description for this program. And if you would want to join, I would be really happy to see you there. Okay, guys. So these are the main strategies that I would use if I would be starting again with appointment setting. And yeah, that's everything. See you in the next video.